Come test drive the 2016 Soul EV. The Kia Soul electric vehicle is a crossover vehicle with lots of cabin and cargo space. The Soul also provides an extensive list of high-tech options as well. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, backup camera, heated seats, dual zone climate control, security system, dual front airbags, telescopic steering wheel, tilt steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.